Let's go over some common operation issues and how to fix them. You may be experiencing difficulties setting the controls and want to reset them. To do so, just restart the unit by turning it off and back on. Then select the wash cycle or function you want. Your unit may have powered down unexpectedly. The control panel may have automatically turned off after a certain period to save energy. This can happen even if you have selected a cycle but didn't press the start/pause button. In this case, just press the power button to turn the unit back on. If the power button is unresponsive, check whether appliance is unplugged. Make sure the cord is plugged fully and securely into a working AC wall receptacle. If the AC wall outlet itself is not working, check the house circuit breakers. Replace any blown fuses or reset the breaker if it has been tripped. The appliance should be on a dedicated branch circuit. The appliance will resume the wash cycle where it stopped once power is restored. If the start/pause button is unresponsive, check if the door is closed. Make sure there is nothing caught between the door and housing preventing it from closing completely. Both the control panel and start/pause button may be unresponsive. Check whether CL is blinking on the display. In this case, deactivate the control lock and the buttons will return to normal. Washer stops for a few minutes and then restarts. A motor protection device has been activated to prevent overheating of the motor. This is normal. If the motor protection device is activated, the washer will stop for a few minutes and then start again. The door cannot be opened for safety reasons once a cycle starts. This is normal. You can safely open the door after indicator light turns off. If you are experiencing water filling issues, check the following. Make sure all your water supply taps are fully opened. Make sure the inlet filters are not clogged. Check whether water supply inlet hoses are kinked or clogged. You may have low water pressure. Check another tap in the house to make sure that the household water pressure is adequate. If hot and cold water seem to be reversed, check the supply hose connections. Make sure your water inlet hoses are connected to the appropriate water supply. If you are experiencing water leaking or not draining issues, check the following. First, check the drain pump filter. See that it is fitted properly. Also, make sure it is not clogged or blocked. Clean the drain filter, then reinstall it properly. Check whether the drain hose is kinked or clogged. If this is the case, clean and straighten the drain hose. Also, make sure the drain hose is located at the required height and not too high above the floor. Check whether the house drainage system might be clogged. Unclog the house drain. Contact the plumber if necessary. If detergent is not dispensing properly, clean the dispenser drawer. Using too much detergent can cause dispensing issues too. Follow the guidelines provided by the detergent manufacturer. If you are experiencing longer cycle times than usual, check the load balance. Always try to wash articles of similar weight together. This will evenly distribute the weight of the load for spinning. The load may become out of balance during a cycle. Pause the cycle and manually redistribute the load if articles have become tangled. The washer automatically adjusts the wash time for the amount of laundry, water pressure, and other operating conditions. The time remaining shown in the display is only an estimate. This is normal. If you have any further questions or need further assistance, please contact your LG Service Center.